You're always going to hear people say if trading worked, then everyone would do it. But I mean, the gym fucking works, eating healthily works, and yet look around. People are so quick to be skeptical over good opportunities because it's not normal to go outside of the normal 9 to 5 route, and generally, people just want to stay comfortable. I mean, shit, I understand why you wouldn't believe trading works. It low-key sounds ridiculous. There's literally a limitless ceiling on how much money you can make. You can work wherever you want under your own rules, and that's pretty much everything you could really ask for. That's what life should be like for everyone. But instead, we're kind of brainwashed to believe that working 9 to 5 for 50 years on minimum wage at a set location is really the way forward. And going outside of that is way too risky and you'll get nowhere, which is why people laugh at you if you ever tell them you're doing trading or really anything outside of a normal job. But as someone making money from trading, the absolute worst 1 in a trillion case scenario is that, I don't know, the market shut down and I have to get a 9 to 5. So literally, what is the risk? My absolute worst case scenario is I go and get a 9 to 5. That's what you think is a safe route? That's literally the worst thing that could possibly happen. So there's no reason you shouldn't take that attempt because there really is no risk. Yes, it will take some hard work, and maybe the downside of trading or any entrepreneurial job is that it will take some time, but time's gonna pass either way. So you can either work for the next year or two and have everything that you currently want, or you can just live in regret, just wishing you tried. And if it takes 2 years, that will go quicker than you think. I mean, 2 years was 2024. I mean, imagine you really went all in on trading since 2024. You could have full freedom by now. So what's your excuse for not being on your way to having freedom in 2 years' time? I mean, there really is only 2 possibilities in trading. Either you become profitable or you quit before you do. And it's very rare to be the person that sticks it out because generally people don't have that kind of patience. And unfortunately, that's all trading really is. But once again, time is going to pass either way, so you might as well be patient during that time and come out of it with everything you want, rather than just bullshitting your way through a 9 to 5 thinking about what you would have, should have, or could have done if things were different. There is nothing stopping you from going all in on this shit right now, today. But I don't have the capital to put into it. You should be learning the skill anyway. You shouldn't even be risking money at first. Oh, but I have work tomorrow. Is that going to get you out of your situation? Can you set your family up for life with that? Can you get the car that you want? Can you even leave the country for more than like a week? Like, I know balancing whatever you've got going on in life with trading or whatever entrepreneurial thing you're doing is going to be very difficult. I'd never deny that for even a second. Even if you had every moment of the day to focus on it, it would still be very difficult. But making excuses for why you're not there or talking about how you're going to start or how you're going to get rich has never helped anybody in the history of fucking dollar bills existing. I'm sure you know what to do next. Even if you tell yourself, I just don't know what to do now, there's something. Even if it's small or just a step to starting out. And that single action is what creates a domino effect. As soon as you've done that, you'll feel more confident and you'll have another goal to work towards. So think about exactly what that is and do it. Even comment what that is if you'd like, and you can take accountability for each other in the comments. Fuck it, I'll respond to some of you and make sure you're actually doing what you're saying you're doing. Because you're not watching this video to feel like you're being productive, you're watching it so that you'll actually take action. And if you're this far through the video, then I already know that you genuinely believe in yourself to get to where you want to be at. You know it's possible, and hopefully you know it's more than possible for you to make it specifically. And that's honestly one of the most difficult first steps. If you don't truly believe you can reach the goal you're aiming for, then you simply won't. I've been trading for 3 years now, and there wasn't one moment in my entire trading career where I doubted that I could become profitable. I've literally been documenting this shit on my channel since the start of my journey, and you can hear how much I genuinely believe in myself in my first video. And trust me, you cannot overestimate how much some self-belief will take you in your journey and how much it will actually speed up your journey. My first video was cringe as hell, so I can't say I'd recommend you watch it, but guess what? I took action that day. I began documenting my journey like I said I would. I had to take accountability in front of a camera whenever I messed up a trade. I forced myself to talk about when I lost like 20% of my account on a single trade on NAS that wasn't even a valid trade. Literally just a full FOMO trade, and I lost like half of the money that I had to my name. Guess what? I never did that shit again because I knew I'd have to talk about it in front of a camera and embarrass myself. And without that, who knows where I'd be today? And that was the next step for me, even though I didn't want to do that. I was extremely shy in front of a camera or just talking to anybody really. But I simply did it because I knew it'd bring me closer to my goal. And that's the mindset you need to have. Get outside of whatever you're comfortable with. Get outside of just doing what you want to do all the time and actually start making some progress. Because I mean, look around you. Everyone just does the same stuff they're always comfortable with. Showing up to work on time, just getting back, maybe scrolling TikTok, going to the gym if they really have just a bunch of free time. But what do they have? Do they have freedom? Do you envy them? Because to me it looks pretty boring, and if I want to be different to them, then I have to do something different different to them. It's not wired in our brain to do things that we don't want to because, I mean, it's just not human nature. Fear, stress, anxiety, they're all just like wired into us as humans. But once again, look at all the people that are constantly talking about their anxiety. Think about all the people that are just constantly talking about how depressed they are and they can't do anything. They don't show up to college or work or whatever, and they never want to do anything new. They're probably in the worst situation out of everybody you know. Fuck it, they probably won't even get a normal job, let alone try something new. Because those people who constantly talk about their anxiety or depression are just repeating those labels onto themselves to a point where they're just reinforcing it. And that is a very real thing, so be thankful and just positive about any situation you can. Anything negative that happens, just turn it into a lesson. If every time something difficult happened or something didn't go your way, you just label it as it being your anxiety or just that's how I am, then your brain will stop looking for ways to push through it. It's just more excuses. If you tell yourself that you're anxious all the time, then your brain will prove that to you. And it's a very similar thing with people that constantly talk about the things they're gonna do. You've probably seen this before where someone says they're gonna get into insane shape, they're gonna start a business, they're gonna get rich, and they talk about it constantly, they tell everyone, they post about it, they're just announcing that shit. But months pass and nothing ever happens. That is the same person. Because talking about it gives you a weird sense of satisfaction before you even done the work. You get the validation early. Someone might say, yo, that's sick, bro, or this shit's gonna be huge, and that feels like your progress. But obviously it isn't. Real progress is quiet. Real progress is the hours that people aren't seeing. That's where real learning, real mistakes happen. And people who genuinely build impressive things aren't usually the ones yapping about it beforehand. They're the ones actually working on it, and the results will always speak for themselves. Because once you actually have the results, you no longer have to convince anybody. So you have to stop those kind of things controlling you, especially with trading, because, I mean, we know having those kind of emotions will completely fuck up not only your day, but also your motivation to even continue, because you're literally actively losing money. You don't go to your job and expect to lose money on the day, because generally that's not a possibility unless you're, I don't know, maybe in the streets, I don't know. But you can't let that shit stress you out. But anyway, share this video with someone that you know needs to hear this. And I'm just gonna end it early so you guys can actually get some shit done. Good luck, boys.